Hello friends, now I am at new Tinsukia Railway Station and I have come to visit this Railway Heritage Park. So let's go and see what is this new Tinsukia Railway Station. And see, this is Cafe Golden Feast. Cafe Golden Feast, and it is a railway canteen that we will see later after we have entered the park. So I am entering the park. So I have taken the ticket. That's 20 rupees. Thank you. So what is here? Triumph of Love. Railway Heritage Welcome Museum Tinsukia inaugurated on 24th July 2010. As constructed in a record time of 372 days. Railway Heritage Park cum Museum Tinsukia renovated. These are the items, the layout of the museum. So this is the magnetic separator machine, whatever it is. This is tilting furnace from old steam engine time. Mechanical yard, bronze melting crucible. This is trolley hut. This is the railway trolley. Sand rider. Broad gauge, meter gauge, narrow gauge. Vertical boiler. American IRS bogies, World War II relic. This one. Fricon wheel. Different types of, these are different types of railway wheels, axles. Vertical boiler. Oh, there is a toy train also here, and I think it is not functional, maybe in the evening. The toy train is going down here. There is one engine on a pedestal, and you can see some ponds. I think in the night they have some lighting and all. I see some fountains, etc. This is the railway, the track changing. Techno huts. These are the different railway divisions. Northern Railway, Northeast Frontier Railway, Northeast Railway, East Central Railway, East Coast Railway, all that. And that is a rhino. This is Lekhapani Gallery. But whatever it is, I think it is closed. Shurak. Yeah, it is closed. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. That bogie is from Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. That is the chair car which is used in the Himalayan Railway. This one also is from the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. These are all North Frontier Railway, and this is the old steam engine, MG steam loco Garrett 32086. This is a foot overbridge. That is the railway engine, steam engine. This is some box girder kind of thing. Yeah, MG steel girder, 1899. This girder was made in 1899. More than 100 years old. This inspection car. We have some pictures over here of railway engines. This is the Royal Orient, an old engine. This here is some other engine, and this is That is in meter gauge. Meter gauge loco Joymati 2618. Maximum speed 60 km per hour. Inside you can see inside. This is the driver, engine driver, and those are the gauges where they put the coal. Chitranjan locomotive works. Is this? This is some kind of firefighting thing, I think. This seems like a firefighting equipment. Looks like a cannon. It's on a pedestal, as you can see. Hi. And Simanta Rail Junction. These are stories and legends of the Indian railways and freedom. There are many instances of railwaymen in the regions taking the lead occasionally by participating in the freedom movement. So I am leaving the Railway Heritage Park. Sanskriti Handloom Sales Center, that is closed now. This is the railway canteen, Golden Feast. We are open. So let me go inside and see what is there. That is, I think, juice section or something. So let's see what. So this is the Golden Feast railway carriage, and you can have all the food here. The menu is here. So I have ordered a Mosambi juice, which is 89 rupees. AC is here. Yeah. This is air conditioned. So this is my Mosambi juice. So I had my Mosambi juice and I am going out of the canteen. Cafe Golden Feast.